Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see some good IIS recommendations for the Track-It application. So now the first thing you need to do is log into the Track-It application and open the IIS manager, that is the Internet Information Services Manager. Alright, now next to the application pools you will find default app pool. Just select default app pool and go to the advanced settings. Alright, now the very first thing we need to be sure is that under the general section, start mode, just change it to always running. Next is the ideal timeout. It would be under process model. Make sure you have the ideal timeout minutes to be 0. Set to 0. Alright, then ping enabled, need to set it to false. Then we'll go to the next section. Just scroll down. It is the rapid fail protection section. Here enabled, we need to disable this rapid fail protection, so just mark it as false. Keep scrolling down again. Now under the recycling section, disable recycle configuration changes, just change it to true. And then regular time interval, we need to make this as 0 again. You can now save these changes. Make sure you apply this change on the default app pool. Okay. Now next thing is we need to go to the recycling settings. So select the default app pool and go to the recycling settings. Here make sure fixed interval and all the other options you see here are marked as unchecked. Then click on next. Here again runtime recycling events. Make sure everything is unchecked here as well. Okay, and then you can click finish. Now the next thing is the compression. We need to make the changes in the compression. So for that, click on the default website and then search for the compression under the IIS section. Okay. Now we need to disable the dynamic compression. So if in case this is enabled, you just need to uncheck this so that it will disable the compression. Alright, and then apply the changes. Next, again go back to the default website. Click on the default website and go to the .NET compilation. Here the number of compiles, we need to make changes in this figure. So the figure should look like 2147483. So the figure is 2147484. Alright, and then you can just save this changes as well. Just click on apply. Alright, now we need to click on the server name over here and then search for the ASP under the IIS section. Here again under the behavior section, just expand this limit properties and threads per processor limit. You can just change this limit over here. You just need to hop this limit by 5. Okay, and then again if it is 5, you can just give 25, just give it 30, apply the changes. Now this is all done with the IIS manager. You can just minimize this tab now. Now you need to go to a location, just click on run. Open the run command. So the location is bin directory Microsoft.NET framework and then version 4.0.30319. Okay, so here I am, and then you need to search for the ASP.NET.config file. So this one is the file. Just open it in the Notepad++. Alright, now here all we need to do is we have a legacy unhandled exception policy. You have it under line number 4. We just need to be sure that we mark this as true. So I'll just change it to true and then I will save this file. This is done. So now there is one more file that we need to change, and for that we need to go to C program files, x86 BMC Track-It application server, and we need to open the wave.config file. Just open this file again in the Notepad++. Alright, now here under the HTTP module section, so now you need to search for this section over here, HTTP handles. Here you need to make sure that you disable the FCN mode and then save the changes. Once everything is done, you need to run this query on the command prompt. Just need to open the command prompt as an administrator. I will just quickly open it as an administrator. Okay, and copy this command over there. Control C, Control V, and once you enter, you will get a message saying that the query has executed successfully. In my case, I have already executed the query and hence it is asking me to overwrite it. I'll just click yes and you will get the message saying the operation has been completed successfully. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.